Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to fix Gpedit error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, let's start the video. Open run and type here gpedit.msc and hit enter. Now you see error message, Windows cannot find Gpedit msc. Make sure you type the name correct and then try again. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, click on start, type cmd, click on run as administrator. Now copy this command from notepad, paste it in command prompt, hit enter. It's take a time to complete this process 100%, 15 to 20 minutes. I am fast forward this video for save time. Okay, 100% is complete. Now open run command, type here gpedit.msc, hit enter. Now you see local group policy editor is open. Okay, it's working fine also. Problem is fixed. This simple step to make this problem solve. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.